Why choose the Practical Controller? Machine control has always been a challenge. Conventional machines require years of skill and experience. CNC machines demand complex programming and professional setup. But what if there was a simpler way? A way where anyone could start working easily, without long training or the need for experts. With the Practical Controller, operating the machine becomes simple and intuitive. In just a few minutes, anyone can start working. No long training, no complicated third-party software. Everything you need is right there on the touchscreen, with a clear and user-friendly interface. Designing and drawing parts is done directly on the controller, with no need for additional software. Outlines are drawn in real time, parameters are set with ease, and the work starts with a single tap. No complicated file transfers, no complex calculations. Everything is right there on the screen, clear and accessible. Even complex operations like chamfers, intricate radii, and threading of all kinds are handled effortlessly. Just select the desired option, set the parameters, and go. The process is quick, convenient, and precise. CNC isn't always necessary. For mass production, CNC is the right choice. But why overcomplicate simple tasks? For maintenance, prototyping, repairs, and shaft refurbishing, the Practical Controller is the most efficient solution. No need for programmers, no need for pre-planning on a computer. Everything happens directly on the controller. The Practical Controller is suitable for any factory, advanced or traditional. At any level of technological progress, it replaces conventional machines, optimizes workflows, and offers a smart and accessible alternative for everyone. Ease of operation, work speed, and precision. All these make the Practical Controller the natural choice for anyone looking for a smart, simple, and efficient solution. Now is the time to move forward. Now is the time to switch to the Practical Controller. Practical Mechanics, the controller that changes the game.